Miss Steph here. I'm showing you today the latest teen grab and go kit for March. We are making dinosaur and dragon terrariums. I have all the supplies here. We're gonna make it together. I also have some book recommendations for you today. And if you haven't gotten a kit yet, you can go to the Central Library, the Quaker Street branch, or the Rotterdam branch to pick one up. Kit's released this Monday, actually, of this week. So let's get started. Okay, so book recommendation time. My first choice is a graphic novel. It's called Garbage Night, and it's really good for anyone who was into like Dog Man or Diary of a Wimpy Kid a couple years ago, but now they're branching out into some YA graphic novels. It's about these guys here. They're actually animals personified, and a raccoon, a deer, and a fox. They are kind of what we're calling lately dumpster divers, I guess. They're walking around getting food and supplies in dumpsters, and they basically live for garbage night in their town. So it's a really funny story. It's all just about these three animals kind of like, you know, running around and picking up garbage, having some fun times at night, meeting new people, new animals. And yeah, it's a really good read. It came out last year, I'm pretty sure, and it's by Jen Lee, and we have it at the Central Library. It's called Garbage Night. My next recommendation I read last year, and it came out last year too, and I read Garbage Night last year too, but I loved it so much I remembered it, along with Suncatcher by Jose Pimenta. And this one kind of reminds me of Coco, but like a YA spin to it, a teen spin on the story of Coco. It's about a girl who finds her grandfather's guitar, and funny enough, she finds out that the grandfather is stuck in the guitar. His soul is stuck in the guitar, and she could get him out if she only sang the perfect song. Is it Remember Me from the Coco movie? You'll have to find out. I mean, that is a pretty perfect song. But yeah, Suncatcher by Jose Pimenta, awesome read. I would say it's kind of a mix of like magical realism and realistic fiction, you know, because this girl has definitely a normal, everyday high school, middle school experience. But she just has this one secret that she has to figure out, I guess. So yeah, Suncatcher, Jose Pimenta, awesome. And Garbage Night by Jen Lee. Well, that's it for this month. Next month, I'm going to be back showing you how to use the magazine poetry teen grab and go kit that we're going to have for April. Now, I'm going to go and put this on a windowsill maybe at Central Library. We'll see. Somewhere where there's sun. Hope you're having fun making your terrarium too. Bye.